Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the join method in React.js. Join method, it is a array method. How to use this in React.js? We'll see this in this video. Let's get start to type here REACJS and here we are going to create one array, that is const arr, which is equals to, we can give n number of values, a list of elements in the array, and after that one we can type something, that is okay, done. Here we are going to do that, let arr1 will create one array, that is, it's not array, it seems to be like array, but it is a string finally. After receiving here arr.join, join method, if you apply, what will happen? No, it is going to join all the elements individually one by one with a comma separated and keep it, it is say taking as a string. Let's display that here, control X, H1, and within this control V, alt shift F, then here control Z, enter. Okay, here H1 H2 will give, within this we will give the array 1 arr1. Here what is the meaning of this array? It's an array of list of elements. This join, what it is doing, one by one, first 34, next 57 and 90 and 68, 79. So here we are not providing anything as a parameter, so it is taking as a individual elements with a separated comma only, and that too it is going to store in the array of array 1 as a string. Let's check it. Yeah, this is entire part is 34 comma 57 comma 90 comma 68 comma 79, it, and this is entire part, whatever we are looking, that is a string value, that is a string. It is converted as a string and stored in this array ar1 with the comma separated value. Even though if you don't pass anything, it is taking by default comma with each and every element. That's why it is showing like that. And let's take another scenario, control C and control V. Here this variable is 2. Here what we'll do, just give the double quotes without space, just double quotes. Then what will happen, it is going to take all the elements without space, without comma, plain string, it is going to get into array of 2. So control C, control V and modify this with the 2, then verify the on the browser. Look here, there is no comma, there is no space, there is no any kind of thing. Entire part is like a string, it is showing on the browser. And let's take another scenario, control C, control V and rename it to array 3, and here we are going to give comma. What will happen? Control C, control V will display array 3 also here. So here you don't mention anything, it is taking comma. Here also just double quotes you used. Here it is not taking any separator, we can say that separator. Here we are giving the comma, so it is going to take the comma separator. So it will take that comma and it is going to give the comma separated. The difference between these two, by default, if you don't provide any kind of parameter, by default comma separated with each and every element. Here if you specifically mention, it is going to take the comma separation. And another scenario we will consider, control C, control V, and it is going to take as a fourth array string, not is a array, it is, we can call it as a str string. Okay, no problem, you can give any name. Here we are going to give some space, there is no comma, there is no any separation, only space is the separation. So what will happen, just it will give the space between elements. So let's verify that on the browser. Look here, each and every element separated with the space. Even though separated space, this entire part is this entire line, it is considered as a string. And let's verify another scenario. Control C, Control V. Here we will separate with the pipe symbol or at the rate symbol or any kind of characters A and D and or some kind of any whatever you want to, you can type it there. That will be reflect on the browser. Just verify that. First of all, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, then modify the 5, then verify on the browser. Look here, what it is giving. Refresh it. It is giving the pipe symbol separation. Here each and every element separated with the pipe symbol. Whether you can give any kind of thing here, the rate of, also you can give not only single character, you can give a number of characters also. Sometimes you may give and, it is going to take it as and. If you want to give both sides spaces, it is going to take spaces also here. Look here. So in this way we can separate with the whatever you are mentioning in the double quotes. Here we will use that pipe symbol, that means R symbol. So that's it. Each and every string it is displaying on the browser in the React.js. So in this way we can utilize this join method. Depends on scenario, whatever you want to utilize it, you can utilize this among these the 5 scenarios. The required part you can choose and use them. So in this way you can use that join method in the React.js. That's it friends. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.